Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video after a long time. Today in this video, I'm going to unboxing 5-year-old Google Pixel 2. This one, then I'm sharing you my first impressions. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm doing unboxing Pixel 2 phone. So this is very minimalistic packaging and it has Pixel phone for 2. And here is Pixel 2 branding, and here is Google Assistant and Google Lens logo, and here side is side panel, and there is something some information about this phone Pixel 2. It is 5-inch display with 64 GB versions. So, and here's nothing, and here's Team Pixel. So let's open it, and here is the sticker, and just open it, and yeah, this is Pixel. This called kinda blue, and I open it very fast time, and here is this is kinda blue. I'll talk later. I'll check this what's inside in this box. So here is some paperwork with SIM ejector, 2 paper book, then SIM ejector, this one, then OTG adapter, type C to type A, so you can use USB flash drive, then USB type C to type C cable, which is very good quality rubber, as you can see. Then it provides a converter, type C to 3.5 mm, then power breaker, which is 5 volt 3 ampere to 9 volt 2 ampere, not fast charging. So let's talk about this phone. This is 5-inch display. In this right side, power button and volume rocker key up and down, and in this bottom only type C port with microphone, and this left side SIM card tray, and it only support one SIM. Then in this top side microphone, another microphone, and here's the stereo speaker, dual speaker in this bottom side one, then in this upside here, and in this back dual flash and 12 megapixel camera with OIS, and with it support 4K 30 frames per second video recording, which is good for in this budget. And here is, I think it is a larger than its fingerprint and Google logo. Here's, then I turn it on, and in this front side, front camera is 8 megapixel, which is good, and it record 1080p full HD video in 30 frames per second, and display is full HD 1080p resolutions, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. And in this back side also Corning Gorilla Glass with aluminum body. So build quality is very good and very compact size, but it's 2020, so there is every phone comes with broad bezel-less, but this phone is almost 5-year-old. It's released on 2017. So it has huge amount of bezel, but there is 2 speaker. I think this gives you better sound. So I set up this, so completely set up done, and I will be using it for 1 to 2 weeks. Then I will be share my full review. So if you're interested in, let me know in comments. So this for today. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.